Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Randa Mahendra and I be your moderator for the session. And today our group will discuss about the drafter. For the discussion about this drafter, it will be presented by three speakers, Ahmad Priana, Antika, Kayla, and Muhammad Fikri. Okay, let's go to the first speaker from the Ahmad Faqih. Please, Ahmad Faqih, to deliver the materi.
Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Priana. Today, we will discuss about drafter. First of all, definition of drafter. A drafter is an engineering technician who creates intricate technical drawings or CAD design for equipment, structure, electronic, infrastructure, and section. Drafters use computer software and manual sketch to convert the design, plan, and layout of engineers and architects into a set of technical drawings. Drafter operate as the supporting developers and sketch engineering design and drawing from preliminary design concept. The next one. Drafter typically need an associate of applied science in drafting or a related degree from a community college or technical school. Some drafter prepare for the occupation by earning a certificate or diploma. Consider earning a professional certification through a drafting organization. Having this title show employers you are knowledgeable about the industry. The drafter certification exam tests your expertise in geometric design, drawings, and basic drafting principles. Salary range of being drafter. We take two example. In Indonesia, drafter typically earn between 60 million rupiah and 120 million rupiah a year. But in Australia, drafter typically earn between 60,000 Australia dollar to 60,000 Australia dollar annually. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ahmad Faqih, for the materi that has been delivered. And the second speaker will be delivered by Antika Kayla. Please, Antika Kayla, deliver the materi.
Okay, thank you, Randa, for the opportunity. So first, let me introduce myself. My name is Antika Kayla Rahmadani. You can call me Antika, and I am going to be the next speaker for this material. So first, I will explain about the skills required to become a drafter. So a drafter needs a mix of technical, creative, and analytical skills to be able to produce an accurate and detailed drawings. And some of these essential skills required, one is the ability to use a computer-aided design or CAD software, in which it may include like AutoCAD, Revit, SolidWorks, or any other drafting tools. You may also need to be able to do blueprint reading so you can understand and interpret technical drawings and schematics. You also need to be able to do technical drawings so you can create precise and detailed drawings for architecture, engineering, and manufacturing. You may also need a 3D modeling ability, like to use software like SketchUp, Rhino, or Inventor. You also need an understanding of mathematics and geometry, so you have a strong understanding of dimensions, angles, and scaling. Building codes and regulations, so you are aware of industry standards and legal requirements. You also need attention to details, so you can ensure an accuracy in drawings to prevent errors in your drawings. You also need a problem-solving skill, so you can troubleshoot design issues. You also need communication skills, so you can work effectively with engineers, architects, and other clients. And you may also need time management skills, so you can meet your project deadlines efficiently. And then next. how English is important as a drafter. So, as a drafter, you need to be able to speak with a lot of people. You need to speak with engineers, with architects, and contractors. And being able to speak in English can make you speak with a lot more people. And English is the predominant language used in technical documentation and user manuals. And the next is required educations and qualifications. So at the very least, you need a high school diploma as a basic requirement for most entry-level positions. But many employers prefer candidates who has an associate's degree in CAD technology, drafting, engineering technology, or any related field, or like a specialized or someone who has a specialized certificate programs. And then the next is challenges in the industry. So the first that I will speak about is the complexity of designs. In CAD drafting, you often deals with an intricate and complex designs that demand a high precision and attention to details. As projects become even more sophisticated, the chance of errors may increase and it can lead to delays and a lot of reworking. So to solve this problem, we can implement an advanced CAD software with intelligent error checking capabilities. So you can leverage automation to simplify repetitive tasks and reducing the risks of errors and ensuring consistency in your design. And then the second one is compatibility issues. So in CAD drafting, you often need to collaborate with a lot of people, and collaboration is essential in CAD drafting services. And it may involve multiple stakeholders who may use different CAD software, different versions, and it can lead to compatibility issues and file format conflicts. And the solution is to standardize on a common CAD software platform or use a CAD file converter to facilitate seamless collaboration, regularly update software versions to stay current and enhance compatibility. And the third one is technical hardware limitation. CAD drawing softwares may require a powerful hardware, and outdated systems may lead to slow performances, so it can hinder productivity. And the solution is to invest in high performances computers and workstations that can handle complex CAD tasks efficiently. But cloud-based CAD solutions can also alleviate hardware limitations. And then last but not least, that we use as an example for the challenges is inadequate training and skill gaps. CAD softwares evolves constantly, and lack of training can lead to underutilization of its features, limiting your productivity. And in the solution, you can arrange a regular training sessions for your CAD drafting team to enhance their skills and knowledge of the latest tools and features. And I send you back to Randa.
Okay, thank you, Antika, for your material that has been delivered. And the last speaker from the Ahmad Fikri, and please Muhammad Fikri deliver the material.
Thank you, Rana, for giving me the chance to present our material. So, our group has selected 5 key trends that represents the future of CAD softwares. These trends are helping reshape how designer, engineers, and introduce works. So, let me explain each one briefly. So, the first one we got AI machines learning integrations. Artificial intelligence or AI and machine learning are being built into CAD tools to make the design process more and more efficiency. For example, you drawing manual some home and you take the picture and send it to the AI, and the AI will process and automatically being the house what do you need, and they can automatically predict tasks, suggest design improvements, and analysis data patterns to help users make better decisions. This not only speed up product development but also improves accuracy and reduce human error. The second one is cloud-based CAD solutions. Thank you for advance in cloud computing. CAD software is no longer too powerful local machines. So, like the old back all the back to the old days, we need some files using a flash disk to access the file. So on this day we don't need like that. We just need like a link or the account to access uh, the file. So users can now access and edit design from anywhere using cloud-based platforms like I explained before. These tools also support real-time collaborations, allowing teams to work together more efficiently, which helps reduce delays and increase productivity. So the third one, we got advanced simulations and analysis. CAD has evolved far beyond basic drafting. Today, software including powerful simulations and analysis features that let users test design in virtual environments. This allows engineers to catch flaws early, optimize performance, and avoid costly mistakes during manufacturing. So the fourth one is AR or VR integrations. AR or virtual reality are starting to play a bigger role in CAD. With AR and VR, users can interact with 3D modelings in immersive environments, making it easier to review and understand complex design. Although still developing, this technology has great potential in fields like product design, construction, and architecture. And the last one is sustainability and green designs. As environmental awareness grows, CAD software is adapting to support greener design practice. Many tools now offer features for energy analysis, materials optimizations, and reducing waste. This helps designers create eco-friendly solutions that are both efficient and environmentally responsible. Okay, I will explain what is network and professional growth. So the first one, you need engage on like LinkedIn and online forums. The second one is participate in forums like AutoCAD forums, verified forums, and drafting communities on Reddit. The third one is attend industry events and trade shows. Look for CAD coverage or AAC, Architecture, Engineering and Constructions, Expos, and Manufacturing trade shows. The fourth one is network with engineers, architects, and other professionals who rely on drafters. The fifth one is connect with engineers and designers. And the sixth one is building relationships with professionals who use your drawings can lead to new job opportunities. Seventh one is join local engineer or architectural meetups. The eighth one is professional growth strategies. And the last one is you need improve your software skills. Okay, that's it's important. That is about the material. I will pass to the Randa as the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Muhammad Fikri, from the material has been delivered. Maybe that we can say I, Randa Mahendra, as moderator, would like to apologize if there was an error in the deliver. I close. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.